Hi traders, welcome to today's live trading. Today date is 18th June 2026. So market is going to open in another 2 seconds. It's already open now. Okay, market is open in the range, and first candle it's a big candle. Just analysis. So this is 50 minutes charts. Let me draw the trend line. Okay, there's a small breakout and there's a rejection, and we consider because I don't see any stop loss ending level at the top, so market has to correct, and I see this to 24,000 level is an important buyer level. Let's see how market reacts here. Back to 1 minute candle. I think I didn't share my screen. Sorry guys. So what I was saying, so if you see the chart in the 15 minutes time frame, there is a trend line, right? So it is expected here, it is respected here, and there is a small breakdown now, and market has to correct as there is no stop loss ending at the top, and I consider this as a buyer zone. Let's see how the market reacts here and here. Based on it, we will take that advice. There is a huge rejection from the resistance level, but looks the bank nifty is bullish. Guys can take 24,000 call and 24,100 put. I repeat the premium. So I have taken 24,000 call and 24,100 put. I hope you can see my screen. This is my quantity level. Premium looks very cheap today. Guys, let's wait for the opportunities. We shouldn't jump as soon as the market opens. At least we should wait for one swing high or swing low so that we can predict the market, right? So let's wait for the opportunities. Sometimes not taking trade also is a considering as a what? Being in the market, taking trade, you know, it's kind of comes under the risk reward management. I see some selling pressure from the resistance. Yes, if you have seen, the market has, the candle is closed, above this trend line, right? So means market can come down, it doesn't want to go up. Even the bank nifty says the same. ஸோ நம்ம கொஞ்ச நேரம் வெயிட் பண்ணலாம். வெயிட் பண்ணி பொறுமையாக ட்ரேட் எடுப்போம். നമുക്ക് വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. Looks it's a big candle breakout, guys. So immediately everyone have jump to this candle, thinking it may go up, but most of the time it will be a fake breakout. So we are not going to consider call side now. We're waiting. I mostly go by 1 minute candle traders because that gives me more clarity. When I draw the trend line and when I see this, swing high, swing low, I will go by either 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame. Yes, I mentioned whoever entered for this candle, right? It's a trap for them. The market may take their stop loss and it may reverse. So it's not a time to predict anything. So we are patiently waiting to get the right setup. Patience, guys. Patience is the key. As I always say, is you have to wait for the confirmation, right? And then you can take the trade. It's fine if the stop loss hit. We will take the other trades. That's why I always says manage your risk reward and based on your capital, you should you know decide your quantities. And yesterday it was a roller coaster ride, trade for me. And I have posted a short video, and I'm sorry I was unable to come on live due to some technical glitch. And yesterday I have taken three trades. The first trade was no profit, no loss, and second trade was some loss, and third trade was heavy loss, and I had to average at the right place, to recover my loss, and almost from 20,000 to 2,000 rupees I recovered from loss to you know 2K. Yes, I don't ask traders to be on the market for 3 hours, 4 hours, or the whole day. It's not required, right? Because the more you be in the market, you more you will tend to take multiple trades, irrespective of loss or profit. You will take trades that eventually end up by loss. That's what happening in the market. So what I'm saying that uh, try to capture 5 to 10 points in a daily basis, right? At least in the starting. So why I'm saying this, for example, if you are more greedy, uh, if you want to become a millionaire in a one day, it's not the place to become. So what I'm trying to say is capture small points, and save your profit at least for next 1 year. So you will at least you will double your capital or triple your capital, right? So that time you can take a risk. So if you go loss also, it is from your profit, not from your capital. Even though some people are taking loan, right? Still, if this is also for the people who have taken loan and come to the market for option buying. Don't do that. But in case if you want to do that, but focus on your risk management, right? Or else you will end up finishing all your capital, and you will be taking further loans, and you will be you know paying EMI throughout next 3 to 5 years. So psychology is very important. That's why I always says that save the money and put your own money when it comes to trading, or else strictly focus on your risk. That's the only thing what is in our control in the market. For example, I if I take on trade, I will take stop loss of 10 to 15 points. So per day, maximum two trades. If I'm 100% sure that the market go as per my view, then only I will take third trade. But if I'm happy with my first trade or second trade, if I'm in good profit, then I won't go for the next trade, right? But I will be sharing the important levels in the Telegram group. So you guys can join my Telegram group. It's a free group. So I will be sharing my updates. So based on that, you guys can either take the trade, or you can consider it as a education, learning purpose. So you would have entered in the fake breakout here. I mean, not in the call side, but see from here, the market is moved to 10 points in the premium. Let's see, guys, how it works. Every time market is trying to break this trend line, but if you see this candle have both closed the trend line, and I see a big candle from the resistance. Let's see, guys. You guys can observe 24,000 call and 24,100 put. I see there is a small, trying to break up the VWAP level, 24,100 P. I haven't taken any trade yet. I'm waiting for the setup. Now the market is in midway, not in the support, not in the resistance, anything may happen here. So I'm waiting the market to reach the buyer zone and how it's react from there. They'll just aram say sit and watch the market, guys. Observation is important. If you see the candles, a lot of wicks in the upper side and the lower side. It's not giving not giving clarity. But also, I don't see enough volume, in the market since 3 days. FIAs are not, participating much nowadays. Let's raise, guys. Market is coming to buyer zone now. It's a small buyer zone. Let's see how it's react here. But I don't see a volatility, guys. It's market is very dull nowadays, and it's a bit boring watching market for a long time. So I book the profit. If I get 5 to 10 points. See, guys, as I mentioned, the Nifty and Bank Nifty came to the buyer zone and it has respected well, right? But I personally don't want to take, you know, call option trade because as there is no stop loss handling on the top, so this could be a trap or attracting the buyers. My focus is now uh, for PE side. So I think let's observe 24,100 PE now. If I see volume, if I see a bullish candle, then we will consider PE trade, guys. Let's wait for the opportunity. It's almost like how many points? 30 points. It's okay. Okay, I'm going to enter PE now. 24,100 PE. Okay, 1000 profit, 1400 profit. I entered at 129 because Nifty is at seller zone, so we have trying to capture the low, the bottom, and I don't see enough, you know, the volume as well. So it's okay. We'll wait. As of now, 1000 rupees loss. As of now, 2 point loss. I don't have any problem if it's hit my stop loss because I have so much of confidence here and based on my rule I have taken the trade. If it's hit my stop loss, it's fine. I will look up the next trade. So we shouldn't think we are in profit or we are in loss. We should think, whether we followed our rules so that you don't feel guilty. Because I could have make good profit here, but still my rules is not allowed me to take this trade. So did I regret? No, because it was not in my rule. See, I see loss here. Did I regret? Again, no. My maximum stop loss is 10 to 15 points. I'm adding some more quantity here. 2000 loss. Okay, it should get bounce back from here. Let's see, traders. My average price is 124.80, 125 rupees. As I said, premium is not moving much. That's a problem. Say from here to here, only 3 points. From here to moving average, only 4 points. Right? Okay. 1000 rupees loss so far. 2000 rupees loss. Looks Nifty is bullish. It's almost reached the resistance level, the first resistance level. See, a lot of rejection candle from the P side, so means it should go up or it will take stop loss and then go up. As of now, 4000 rupees loss, 2500. Okay, 1,000 rupees loss. Slowly recovering now. I'm almost cost to cost now. Let's see if I get a good move. But I don't see a big move. Maybe I might book the profit for 5 to 10 points maximum, guys. I don't mind if it is goes more than that, but I will finish my trade if this turned into profit. God side also the premium level is not that great. Don't get panicked, traders. You have to be patient and you should have a mindset to accept the stop loss, right? If not today, we will get the good, trade tomorrow. I think to exit because it's going up, right? So if you see, it's trying to break the R1 level. I don't want to take so much risk, guys. So I have just closed the trade. So 6,800 loss so far. So my loss is 6,800. Here the brokerage, how much I should pay? 365 rupees. It's okay. Wait for the other opportunities. See, as I mentioned, there is a bullish sign. I'm hungry, guys. I haven't had my breakfast. I'll be coming. Go off cam now. Please observe the same premiums 24,000 call on 24,100 put. I will let you guys know when I am under the trade. I hope you guys had your breakfast, and my breakfast is an egg daily. I'm waiting for the confirmation, guys. This is a confusion area. So we already took our first loss. So the second trade should be, you know, there's a small seller zone here, and I see some volume as well, but I don't know how it reacts. Let's see. It ended again, ended the flip side. Ended at 121. Let's see, market will break this missing high or it will reverse. 121 rupees is my entry level. As of now, 2 points profit. Okay. Hope it should go up at least this indicator 131. else to this black line to here. This is my first target, and this is my second target. Let's see, guys. Again, my stop loss is here 10 points. 11 or 110 is my stop loss. Here it would be my stop loss. Let's see, guys. I'm focus for 10 points now. We entered at the right place at the very bottom of the candle. There's a chance that market should reverse from here. I should get good opportunity. Let's wait, guys. Let's see how it works. How it works. I may look like sleepy, guys. Yes, I am. I didn't sleep yesterday properly. Okay, 3,000 loss, 3,500 loss. Market should come here to this line because this was a buyer zone to hunt the stop loss. I mean, the stop loss. Market should come here. That's where my market should come here. Okay, I almost incur my loss. Let's see, this is my first target, 131. Okay, 2,000 profit. Perfect. Started reversing from here. So guys, as I always say, making 2,000, 3,000 rupees, the market is not big deal. It's very easy to make. It has reached my first level. I think to book my profit, guys. I booked my profit. As I mentioned, it has reached my first level. It may go upper level, but I don't want to take risk here because my first trade, I know I accepted loss for 10 points. And here I don't have space to, trial. If I trial, I'll be no profit, no loss, no profit. Maybe I have to give some amount to the brokerage. But as of now, let me share my screen. As of now, 2,500 rupees profit. See, as I mentioned, as soon as it reached my target, it has reversed. Maybe it may go again because as I mentioned, market should reach here, this line. This market should go to 130, 139. It should go. Take a small trade on the call side, guys. Let's see how it reacts. Because before it goes up, it should take the stop loss and go. I'm just taking chance here. 177 is my stop loss. Perfect. I closed it. See, what did I say? It should come down. I closed at 183, it went to 185. That's okay. So my total profit is 4,000 rupees. I'm done for the day, guys. So making 4,000 rupees or 3,000 rupees per day is not a big deal, right? See, as I mentioned, it's trying to take the stop loss for the people who entered this candle and it's going up. So if you have spent enough time in the market, the candle will talk to you. You will get to know the nature of the candle, how it works, how the market behaves, how the stop loss hunting works. You could, as I mentioned, you don't need to wait for long time to make, big trade. Capture small point, guys, and keep your stop loss minimum and have a good profit on a daily basis, at least for 1 year, and then you guys can take risk. All right. All right, team, I'm done for the day. If there is any update, I will share it in the Telegram group. Please join my Telegram group. It's a free group. You don't need to pay anything, nothing. It's just for educational purpose. I will share my market view, analysis, prediction, everything there. You guys, this is an opportunity that you guys can learn, the market. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.